The Ava girl's getting ready to come down the steps to see her prize. See what birthday girl. Oh, it's dark. Up the steps. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ava, look in your toy room.
What's in your room?
We got a surprise. Look at your toy room. What do you see? What do you see, baby girl?
I don't see anything.
Ava, what do you see? Oh, that's all a big smile from Ave.
Happy birthday.
What is that, Ave? Is that Daddy's train set? That's Ava's. Yay, Ava!
Okay,
Ava got a train set for her birthday. Yeah, such excitement. That's as good as it gets right there. When she's doing that, she's excited.
You gonna play with it?
Go ahead, baby. There's trains out
Martha,
there.
get out of her face.
Don't say mouse. Where are you going, baby?
What do you see?
Yeah.
You want me to come and video with you?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay.
Choo choo.
Choo-choo car.
Watch it. Listen.
Choo choo.
Yeah. Watch it. It won't fall down in her.
No.
But watch.
Mm-hmm.
You can fly away and not fall down and break itself.
Yeah, look at this too. Look, this picks things up.
Your mommy sure is enjoying it.
Watch, Ave.
Daddy,
I see that.
look!
That's awesome.
Put that down on there, look!
Put that down, but I want to get video of Ava.
Here and put it into your train.
Blizzard 2013. It's starting. Yeah, flag whipping around out there. Yep. 2012, I guess, we're talking about. Choo choo.
This, and this, and Cause get ready to race it.
Yeah. Put your train through here and it lights up. See? Yeah, it needs batteries and then we can make some noise.
Have it go down the slide. Choo choo.
I want to
You want me to ride your way?
You take it away.
Choo choo.
Well, your trees fell over.
You're funny, huh?